Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Spaces unofficial channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's talk about is it safe to run BONOSS show tire wheel bolt kit on your Mercedes. The special slip and 4-lock wheel bolts are given to prevent the wheel from being stolen and improve safety. A BONOSS Forge Grade 12.9 show tire wheel lock bolt kit includes 20-piece wheel bolts, 20-piece shells, a hex 19mm socket, 4-piece locking bolts, a lock kit. The BONOSS show tire wheel bolt adopts a 2-piece design. Shell part uses high-strength aluminum alloy 7075T6. The shells have two styles of high and short shells. The high shell is 55mm and the short shell is 38mm. There are 8 colors of the shell, which are red, gray, gold, black, purple, sky blue, deep blue, and silver. More color options. If you want to get the BONOSS show tire wheel bolt kit, please make sure to see the link down on the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.